Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a chicken taco. Now in a previous recipe I showed you guys how to make the taco wrapper or the corn tortilla for this. So if you'd like to see that, I'll leave it as an end card for you, or you can use pre-bought store wrappers. So to make this, I have one chicken breast that I'm drizzling with a little bit of vegetable oil. Next I'm seasoning it with some goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. You want to rub that seasoning well into the chicken breast on both sides. It goes into my air fryer until done. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes. You can also fry this in a frying pan if you like, or bake it in your oven. So while that's baking, let's make our sauce. So to my blender I'm going in with some mayo, the juice of half of a lemon, 1 jalapeno pepper chopped, half of an avocado chopped, some garlic chopped, sugar, which is optional but I think it's necessary, and salt to taste. I'm going in with some whole milk just to help bring everything together. Next, cover and blend until smooth. Pour into your serving container and refrigerate until you're ready to use it. It has a beautiful light green tint which is really delicious, and this is so tasty. Once the chicken breast has cooled, you're going to discard the skin and the bones, and we're going to shred the chicken breast into small pieces. Now guys, I use chicken for this recipe, but you can use shrimp, pork, whatever type of protein you would like, even fish. So to assemble, take one of your wrapper and place some of that shredded chicken in the middle. Next I'm going in with some shredded cabbage, some red onions, jalapeno peppers, and I'm using pickled jalapeno peppers, guys. That's the key to when you're using the jalapeno. It has to be the pickled version. Now I'm going in with some of that jalapeno garlic sauce, finishing off with a little bit of cheese, I like to top this with some fresh cilantro, or you can use some finely chopped bandania, or culantro as it's also called, and some freshly chopped tomatoes. So here you have it, my recipe for chicken tacos. I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know if you like it. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video.